Alright, this is the video of my problem. Basically, I've done what you guys recommended. I put the paper clip into the power supply. I got it into the black cable and the green cable. The power supply, let's see. Here's the Molex connector. Where is it? The pump is connected to the Molex right here. I'm pretty sure I've done it correctly. Then I've got this blue wire connected to the CPU fan. I know you guys said that wasn't a big deal, but I tried it both ways. Here is the culprit. It is not starting. I've tried toggling the switch to different speeds. That doesn't really do anything. Okay, so I'm just going to boot it up and show you guys kind of how it goes. Let's see, where's my switch? There we go. Lights all come on. Fan, pump. Couple air bubbles, but nothing's really happening. And as you can see, the fans on the side are turning. This one's not because I unplugged it, but these two are. So, if you guys can give me any advice, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.